thinking though a higher carat's going to have a higher melting soldering temperature? Because I've noticed when I'm soldering like 22 carat bands, or I've done some remodels with 22 carat, it seems to solder hotter. If that
because the alloys in the metal lower the temperature. Because as you know, with the solder, you add a alloy to the gold, which will lower the temperature.
I only notice it with 22. I don't notice much of a difference at all. Nothing between 18 and 9. But when you go to 22, suddenly it's like...
Oh yeah, there's only one melting point solder. And I think because this is the reason being is the fact that, it's a good point actually. So yeah, where you've got...
But I don't notice any difference with 9 or 18. So if that's what you're working with, don't worry.
So where you've got 9
it's
carat,
the same.
You've got 15 parts that make the alloy. Okay, because don't forget, we're working under the umbrella of 24 carat. Yeah, is pure. So it's 9 carat, add that and that should equal that. So 18 carat, you've got then 6 parts that are an alloy. Okay, so these lower the melting point of the pure gold. This enables you to get hard solder, a higher melting point solder, medium, and an easy solder, which is a lower melting point. Don't ever try and go down to extra easy, because this is not a hallmarking quality. So 9 carats that, 18 carats that. So when you come to 22 carat, you've only got 2 parts that are the alloy. And because there's only 2 parts that affect the melting point of the pure gold, there's not an awful lot of play in a solder melting. That's why you only have 1 melting point solder for 22, because you can only add 2 other parts to the gold to make 24 carat.
Why? Okay.
Yes, so you can only have 1 melting point, and because you can only add 2 parts to the 22, the melting point is not far off.
You're almost fusing then, aren't you? Then
you're almost fusing.
You're almost fusing, yeah.
Here you've got a bit of room to play with. You've got 6 parts that will adjust the melting temperatures. But 22 carat, yes, you've only got 2 parts. If you're doing 9 carat, not a problem. If you've got 14 carat, not a problem, because you've got 10 parts that are the alloy. So yes, so these alloy will alter the melting points. But 22, you've only got...
It's only 22 that I think is dissimilar to silver, noticeably different.
Yeah.